Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story, and it comes from Assam, which is hit once again by floods as the monsoon sweeps through the northeast. The death toll has crossed 50. The Kaziranga National Park is among the worst affected areas. Tonight's ground report comes from Assam.
The Brahmaputra is in spate. Over 16 lakh people impacted. 29 districts of Assam are badly affected. The Kaziranga National Park is also ravaged.
Behind me, you can see the situation in Golaghat district in Assam, where miles and hectares of land are submerged into deep water. Houses are almost submerged into deep water. People have fled from their residences because the condition of these houses are very critical.
Around 27 animals have died, according to forest officials. Till now, 68 animals have been rescued by Forest Department in Kaziranga.
अभी पिछले 4 दिन में जो काजीरंगा टाइगर रिजर्व में फ्लड हुआ है, उसके रिस्पांस के लिए ये रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर प्लस 2 और सैटेलाइट फैसिलिटी हमने क्रिएट किया है. तीनों यूनिट मिला के अभी तक 68 एनिमल्स वी हैव मैनेज्ड टू रेस्क्यू एंड ट्रीट.
More than 100 anti-poaching camps are submerged. The Forest Department has restricted heavy vehicles on NH 37, which passes through Kaziranga. Women forest guards named Van Durgas are deployed on the national highway.
हमारी जो प्लानिंग थी, स्ट्रैटेजी थी, वो हमारी शुरू हो गई थी. मुझे लग रहा है 1 तारीख से ही हम कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब हमें सरकार ने जब परमिशन दे दी कि ट्रैफिक डाइवर्जन करेंगे, तो उससे क्या हुआ कि हमारा जो एक जो एक प्लान हुआ कि हम किसी भी कारण से अननेचुरल कॉजेज से हम जानवर को मरने नहीं देंगे, उसका हमने एक स्ट्रैटेजी कर लिया.
Several relief shelters for people displaced by floods in Kaziranga have been opened. At this particular relief center, 150 families have taken shelter.
More than 16 lakh people are affected so far by this second wave of Assam flood. Almost 46 people have already been died in the second phase of this flood. And people are hoping that rains will stop and the waters which have come, which have submerged their houses, will recede soon. With camera person Orgho, this is Anupam Mishra for India Today.